Hare Krishna everyone, welcome to a new lecture series of your quantum mechanics, and today we are going to start with your pair production. Okay, so let's talk about it in brief. Okay, so by saying your pair production, I mean that it is the phenomenon of conversion of energy into mass. Okay, in pair production what happens, the energy becomes your mass. Okay, so how does this phenomena happen? Suppose we have a nucleus here, and here is your photon. Okay, here is a photon. The photon is going like this and it is bombarding with your nucleus, that is of energy E is equal to h cut omega. So what happens? It split into your electron and your positron. Okay, so you can write gamma is equal to your electron plus positron. These are the pair of masses that you get from your pair production. Okay, that's why we call it as your pair production. So first point is your energy conversion. How do we convert energy into your mass? We will see here. Okay, we have energy h cut omega, that is the energy of your photon, is equal to your energy of your electron plus energy of your positron plus energy of nucleus. Okay, so energy of electron we can write it as me square plus kinetic energy of electron, and energy of positron I can write it as me square plus kinetic energy of your positron, and energy of nucleus I can write it as kinetic energy of nucleus. So it will become your h cut omega will be nearly equal to your 2me c square plus kinetic energy of electron plus kinetic energy of positron. We are neglecting the kinetic energy of nucleus as it is very small in quantity. Okay, so let's proceed further to our some important points. We will discuss about your what? About your pair production. So in pair production can't occur okay, in free space. Free space. Why pair production can't occur in free space? Because due to charge, momentum, and energy conservation. As we know that in free space, the three quantities, that is your charge, momentum, and energy, doesn't conserve. That's why pair production can't be occur in your space. Okay, and the second one is minimum energy of pair production. Minimum energy of pair production, energy of your pair production is how much? That is your E minimum is equal to your 2me c square is equal to your 10.2 mega electron volt. If you calculate this value by putting your mass of electron, that is 9.31 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, and you see the velocity of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, you can get the value of total minimum energy, that is 10.2 mega electron volt. And next we have pair production can takes place only with your what? Only with highly energetic X-rays. We cannot produce the pair production by bombarding with it with general light or general rays. We have to take your highly energetic X-rays. Okay, highly energetic X-ray. Okay, are you understanding what I am trying to explain to you? Okay, so fine, we'll proceed further. That is, your pair production is a direct consequence of your mass energy equivalence or mass energy equation, that is of your Einstein's mass energy equivalence equation. That is, pair production is a direct consequence of mass energy equation. As we have exchange between your energy and mass, that's why this is the direct consequence of your mass energy equation of Einstein's, that is your E is equal to your mc square. Okay, and So this is all about your pair production. We will see the pair annihilation. Pair annihilation. What does it mean and what happens in this pair annihilation? We will see in this section. Okay. So firstly, you remember that pair production is the conversion of energy into mass, and here in pair annihilation, this is the total opposite. That is, this is the inverse of your pair production. Pair production. That means what happens here? Here the mass is converted into your energy. Okay. So how does it happens? I will explain to you. That is, your electron plus positron gives rise to your photon. Okay. In the previous phenomena, what happens? Photon is bombarding with your nucleus. It gives rise to your masses, two pairs of masses, that is your electron and proton, positron. But in this case, electron and positron combiningly form your photon. Okay. And this lifetime of positron is how much? Positronium is how much? That is your 10 to the power minus 10 second. Okay. At least two photons are produced. At least two photons are produced here. Okay. Produced here. Okay. Minimum of two photons are produced in your pair annihilation. Okay. Positronium is hydrogen. If you are in doubt that what is positronium means, positronium is nothing but is like your hydrogen like atom. Okay. Atom in which proton is replaced by your positron. Okay, that is known as your positronium, positron. And single photon emission is not valid. Single photon emission is not valid due to violation of your energy and momentum conservation. Okay, that's why I told you that at least two pairs of photons are produced in your pair annihilation. So this is all about your pair production and pair annihilation. This is a short lecture. Okay, I want to end it here, and in the next lecture we will proceed from your de Broglie's concept and its experimental verification, that is your division-Germer experiment. Okay, I will further discuss about it, okay, in the next lecture. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, then share your comments and share your thoughts, and I will be motivated to do more videos on quantum mechanics. Okay, so thank you a lot.